Best partner solution. Screenmedia is not only first movers when it comes to new Umbraco features and products, they also leverage the Umbraco ecosystem by utilising and customising open-sourced packages to drive personalised experiences in their commerce project. I am impressed by how well put together this solution is. 10,000 products in a solution that is easy to navigate is impressive. And so is the 23% reduction in carbon footprint. Well done. The way the design is put together creates a perfect connection between the real-world charging stations and the website. I have rarely seen such a well-executed brand implementation in a web solution. DEPT's incorporation of brand visuals into the website storytelling creates a powerful connection between the product and its online representation. Using the lines of the charging station roof as a brand element brings a lovely and subtle motion.